Let's review the rule for adding ing. We have 3 words: moving, tripping, and yelling. Can you remember where to sort these words? First, think about moving. Think about the base word of moving. Did it double anything? Did it drop an E? Or did it have no change? That's right, it dropped an E before it added ing. Now think about tripping. Think about the base word of tripping. Did it drop an E? Did it double a consonant? Or did it have no change? That's right, it doubled the consonant. And yelling. Do you think it dropped an E? Did it double a consonant? Or did it have no change? Remember to think about the base word. That's right, no change. Great job. In this unit, we will learn how to add ing to words. The rules for adding ed are similar to how we add ing to words. When ed is added to a word, it shows that something has already happened in the past. Let's think about the rules that we learned for adding ing. We're going to use those same rules when we add ed to words. Let's read this word, stop. Stop ends with a vowel and a consonant. Do you remember what we do when we have a vowel and consonant? When we have a vowel consonant, we double the consonant. So stop turns into stopped with 2 P's. Now let's look at the word name. Name ends with a vowel consonant with a silent E. What do we do with a vowel consonant silent E? When we have a vowel consonant silent E, we drop the E and add ed. Let's read this word together. Seam. Seam has a vowel, vowel, consonant. Do you remember the rule for vowel, vowel, consonant? When we have a vowel, vowel, consonant, we have no change, so we just add ed. So seam plus ed equals seamed. There's one more rule that also does not have a change. When we have a vowel, consonant, consonant, as in pass. Pass plus ed equals passed, P-A-S-S-E-D. There was no change. Now let's see if we can sort some words. We have the word step, scare, and ask. Let's start with the word step. Step ends with a vowel consonant. Can you remember what rule you would follow when a word has a vowel consonant to add ed? If you said double the consonant, you were right. Step turned into stepped with 2 P's. Now let's think about the word scare. Scare has a vowel consonant with a silent E. What rule do we follow with the silent E? If you said it was an E drop, you were correct. Drop the E, add ed. Now let's look at the word ask. Ask has a vowel, consonant, consonant. What rule do we have here? For a vowel, consonant, consonant, there's no change. We just add ed. The ed endings have different sounds. Listen for the sound of the ed ending as I say the word stepped. Stepped. What sound does the ed make in stepped? The ed has a T sound. Listen for the ending sound as I say the word filled. Filled. What sound does the ed make in filled? It has a D sound. Now listen as I say the word acted. What sound do you hear at the end of acted? It has the ed sound. Now let's see if we can do a sound sort. We have 6 words to sort. Let's start with the word knotted. Does it end with the T sound, the D sound, or the ed sound? Knotted. If you said the ED sound, you were correct. Now let's look at the word dropped. Say the word, dropped. What sound did you hear? If you said the T sound, you were right. Now let's look at walked. Say the word and listen to the ending, walked. It ends with the T sound. Now let's look at skated. Say the word skated. What sound did you hear? The ED sound. How about called? Did you hear T, D, or ed? Called. That's right, D. Now waved. Say the word waved. What sound does it end with? The D sound. Very good. There are some words that do not follow any of the 4 rules we've learned for adding ed to a base word. We call these words oddballs. Some examples of these words are mixed, boxed, fixed, and chewed. These words do not follow our rules, so we call them oddballs. When you read words that do not follow our spelling rule, just remember to call them an oddball.